I'm meteorologist Carrie Hall. Today, air conditioners on. It felt like summer outside, but tomorrow we are back to spring and in a major way. I'll have a look at that in just a bit. Let's take a local look out this evening in Greenwich. So beautiful outside, clear blue skies, and yes, it is such a nice break from the chilly winter we had. And looking back at the high temperatures today, it was well above normal for this time of year. We should be at about 66 degrees. Look at how warm it got in Greenwich, 82 degrees, 83 degrees in Weston, and Bridgeport got up to 80 degrees, but not beating that record of 80 degrees set back in 1991. A lot of clouds and at times a couple of spotty showers this evening, but we only have a slight chance of rain, and for the most part, we're not going to see a major downpour. Heading into the day tomorrow, still more clouds, and you will notice the difference in how cool it is compared to today. There will be a major difference with a very dry cold front moving through, and it will keep the clouds in our area throughout the day tomorrow. Maybe a couple of spotty showers, and we'll have the same thing as we head into Wednesday. So tonight, temperatures stay mild. We get down to 57 degrees in Darien. Norwalk also a low of 57 degrees. A couple of spotty showers, but we're not going to have any severe weather, no rumbles of thunder. And tomorrow, look at how much cooler it will be. It will be in the low 60s along the coast, but inland, some areas will reach into the upper 60s, but that will be about 15 degrees cooler than it was today. In Bridgeport, a high of 60 degrees, and we will struggle to make it to that point as we go through the day. And we keep the low 60s through the rest of the forecast. Let's break down tomorrow's forecast with a high of 66 degrees. That planner shows that we will have pretty much a steady temperature through the day. After a morning start in the upper 50s, we will only see the temperature changing a couple of degrees from morning to afternoon, and the rest of the forecast shows a daily chance of rain, maybe a couple of storms heading closer to the weekend with highs in the upper 60s, which is right on target for normal for this time of year. I'll have another look at the hyperlocal forecast coming up. I'm meteorologist Carrie Hall. Looking outside, it looks like it will rain at any time, and it will be rolling in as we get ready for the end of the work week, but it does roll out in time for the weekend. A local lookout at the red and green off of Route 107, looking beautiful with all of the rain. We just talked about the surplus, and I think you can see the benefits there from all of the rain we've had so far this year, and yes, more is headed our way, so think of rain as a good thing in this case. A lot of clouds across southwestern Connecticut, a couple of breaks this evening, but so far we've just seen spotty rain farther to the west of us. Look at all of this. Boy, we have to deal with that as we go into tomorrow evening. So rain will get heavier, and that's the reason why we do have a flash flood watch in effect, mainly between Friday afternoon into early Saturday morning. The forecast shows it starts out as some light rain overnight, and it continues throughout the day tomorrow. I don't think we'll see many breaks in the rain, and heading into Friday evening, the potential of a couple of rumbles of thunder before this all gets out of here, but you can see it clears up in time for Saturday, and it looks like Saturday afternoon will be beautiful as the humidity drops and our temperatures stay nice and comfortable. And looking at the rain forecast, looking at about an inch across the coast, and there could be some slightly higher amounts inland. Cloudy and foggy tonight, not much of a drop in temperatures as we get down to 60 degrees along the coast. Milford a low of 60 degrees, and Weston dropping to 61 degrees. A shower or sprinkle possible, but the main show arrives tomorrow. 63 degrees for a high in Darien, while Greenwich tops out at 67. 67 also in New Canaan, north of the Merritt Parkway. That's where temperatures will be a tad bit warmer. Easton reaching 68 degrees. After all of that rain Friday, it gets out of here early Saturday morning, and Saturday afternoon looks great. How about that? 71 degrees, bright sunshine. We keep that sun on Sunday with a high of 70 degrees. Next week, we will start the warming trend. Check out those highs in the mid-70s and very low rain chances at this point. I'll have another look at the hyperlocal forecast coming up. I'm meteorologist Carrie Hall. If you like today's weather, we're going to get the weather remote and put it on repeat for Saturday and Sunday. This nice weather continues over the next couple of days, and then rain comes back in time for the work week. Details on that. Let's take a local look out as we see what's happening at Greenwich. We get a clear view of Manhattan on a bright and sunny day, and just a few fair weather clouds dotting the sky. You can see the bright green trees over Greenwich. Such a beautiful shot, and a lot of outdoor outdoor events going on this weekend, be sure to participate and spend extra time outside. Looking across southwestern Connecticut, no activity as far as any rain or wet weather going on. In fact, just a few clouds here and there, but this is what we will see heading into the weekend as our temperatures tonight dip into the upper 50s. It will be mostly clear, 59 degrees in Darien, Wilton a low of 53 degrees, and Weston also a low of 53, while Bridgeport drops back to 55 degrees. Mostly sunny, pleasantly warm, maybe even a couple of degrees warmer than it was today. New Canaan a high of 81 degrees, and we'll see some of those low 80s north of the Merritt Parkway. Stratford, though, a high of 76 degrees. A great beach day on Saturday with the water temperature still very chilly, but a lot of sunshine that brings us a high UV index, meaning you need to make sure you have on the sunblock throughout the day to prevent sunburn. And the high tide will be in the morning at about 7 o'clock and then again at about 7:30 in the evening. The 7-day forecast gives us more highs in the 80s this weekend. We'll bring it back to 76 degrees heading back to work on Monday. Starting out for the morning commute, we'll have sunshine and 64 degrees. By lunchtime, 72 degrees and a chance of a late shower as you head home. I'll have another look at the hyperlocal forecast coming up.